Welcome in the Dilmah tea gardens. Today I would like to show you how to prepare a tea flavored water. So if you are looking for something relaxing and refreshing, maybe for like a spa, then the Dilmah Elixir of a Ceylon tea has the great flavor and health benefits to make it right. Let me show you how to do it. So we simply add 1 part of Elixir of a Ceylon tea to 24 parts of water. You can garnish it with fresh lime, lemon or ginger. Then we stir it a little bit and it's ready. Give it a try.